For our second runner-up is for $5,000, Levonye Professionals brand LLC, Yalmikia Edmonds. Yalmikia, congratulations.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
My name is Yalmikia Edmonds. I am the founder of Levonye Professionals Hair Loss Center. We provide non-surgical hair replacement and natural hair restoration products to individuals who are experiencing hair loss. We also provide our customers with a free ebook to help educate them on hair loss. We are going to use the $20,000 to invest in over 20 medical wigs and to partner with insurance companies and to expand our all-natural hair care product line.
Keith, Rebecca, you'd like to say a few words about Yalmikia's presentation?
Yalmikia, your presentation went through the roof today. It was incredible to see how you took all the feedback you've been given, you wove it together, and today you told a powerful story.
And the most important thing you did was you showed what you did with passion, and people could feel the passion. Anybody can be a good communicator, a good speaker, but not everybody can pull that passion out of their heart. And that's what you were able to do because you believe in helping other people, and that will always rise to the surface and to the top in any competition.
We also love the show and tell. It's one thing to list facts. You made us feel. Thank you.